Now I'm at Hiragishi Tenjin-yama Park. This tree is Wisteria tree. The tree is about 200 years old. Look at these purple flowers. Many flowers are hanging. And this tree is only one tree. Many flowers stem from this one tree. Here is a tulip garden in Takino Suzuran Park. What colorful tulips they are. This tulip area is more beautiful than the mountain base. Now I'm at the top of this tulip garden. This tulip garden will become a skiing place in winter. That is a skiing lift. I think this tulip garden is as good as Furano and BA flower gardens. I can see many tourists, including foreigners. This is a bus timetable. The green one is bound for subway Makomanai Station, and the orange one is bound for Fukuzumi Station.